Hi, in this video we'll discuss about how you can write a introduction in a research paper of social science or management research domain. So in last video we have discussed about what you should write in abstract, and in this video we'll also look into how you can write a scientific introduction or what you should include a introduction, and then we'll discuss about how you can synthesize the literature for your introduction. So first thing, in introduction you must include a background. Let's say, suppose if you want to do a research on, let's say, employee satisfaction, right? So in introduction you first give a very brief background, or you can say that context, where means the context you in which you want to do this research on employee satisfaction very briefly. Then you must include the importance of employee satisfaction. Now first one is the context and very brief about employee satisfaction. Then next is why this employee satisfaction is important, either for organization or for the employee. Then next is what is the problem in that particular context you want to do in your research, or what is the current challenges the organization or a particular industry is facing. So there you write a problem statement basically in a very brief way. Then you move to the research gap. There you must write about your research gap in your context on employee satisfaction. Next, you either define your gap in terms of context or in terms of, let's say, theory. For example, if I say that there is a theoretical gap you found in your context, then you can also do that. Either you go for a new kind of methodological gap, or you want to do something on employee satisfaction with a new methodology, then you can also put that in your research gap part. Next, you will move to the research question. If you have a research question, or if you have more than one research question, then you should write there. After that, you write down about your aim of the research on the basis of this research question. What is your aim of research on employee satisfaction, for example? Next, you move to a paragraph which basically speak about how you are going to do that research. And nowadays in many good journals, they are also writing about their findings and what is the contribution of that research paper in very briefly. So in this way you can write your introduction scientifically. So first step is your context and very brief about your concept, like for example employee satisfaction. Then you move to the importance. Then you move to the problems or challenges, or then you move to your research gap and research question. Then you briefly write about your aim of the research, or you can say that objective of the research. Then you move to the next paragraph where you write about your action plan for means how you are going to conduct that research. Then you can also write about your findings and your contribution in the introduction part. Thank you.